Hi everyone, it's Irina. Welcome to Comfort Life channel, the channel where you can find different health and beauty tips, DIY recipes, as well as very effective and useful tricks. Each week I'm uploading a new video, so make sure you subscribe and say hello in the comments. Well, in this recipe today I am showing you how to prepare your own natural vapor rub. So my kid is a little sick right now, so I want to help him out a little bit with coughing and that cold. So the ingredients we're going to use, of course, are all natural, and I will give you two options that you could use for babies and adults. So as you see, my water is simmering here. We're going to use this as a double boiler to melt the oil and the beeswax. So for the recipe we shall need half a cup of oil. You could use coconut oil, you could use olive oil or almond oil. Today I'm using coconut oil because my baby loves the way it smells, so it will be easier for me to use it on him. To the oil, we shall need to add 2 tablespoons of the beeswax, but I recommend you to get the pellets because it will be faster for you to melt them. And when I say 2 tablespoons, I mean level, not heaping, so like that. So this is going to be 1, and this is going to be 2. So all we need to do right now is wait a little bit until the mixture melts. It's not going to take a lot of time. Make sure you do not have a lot of water in your pan, and it's not really like rapidly boiling. So put it on medium. If you don't have the pellets, you could cut the beeswax to smaller pieces, and then the rest of the ingredients we are going to need would be only the essential oils, and this is where I'm giving you the options for adults and kids. Alright guys, as you can see, my beeswax pellets almost gone, and now everything we have to do is just take this out of the pan. Be careful, it's hot, and then we need to wait a little bit before applying the essential oils because you never put any essential oils in any hot mixture, so let's wait. So guys, here it is. It starts to actually become solid again. This is the perfect moment for us to add the essential oils because it means the mixture is cool. And as I have promised, these are the options. So if you're going to use this for your kids, you're going to need the eucalyptus essential oil. So for babies and young children before age of 6, you need 4 drops. 4. And the next oil you're going to use if you're preparing this for kids would be the fir essential oil. So here I have the Douglas fir and a silver fir. So whatever you have on hand, it might be some other fir. So I'm going to use the silver fir right now, and we shall need 4 drops. But if you're doing this for adults, you do not use this. I'm going to give you a different combination, and to make it easier for you, I will put this in the description bar down below this video. So 4 drops. Now, if you're doing this for kids again, this will be your last step. You mix everything up and transfer it into this container. So because I am making this for my baby right now, this is my last step actually. But if you're doing this for adults, I would just go ahead and say, again, you're going to use eucalyptus oil, but in the amount of 20 drops. The next oil of your choice would be peppermint, and you would use this in the amount of another 20 drops. The next oil of your choice would be rosemary, and this would go for 10 drops. And the last oil of 10 drops would be a cinnamon essential oil. So this is what you're doing if you're using this for adults. You mix everything up and again put it in the container. So I'm going to go ahead and use this container with a lid, but the tin works actually perfectly well too. I'm going to use it as needed to reduce coughing and congestion, so you could go ahead and do the same thing. I'm a strong believer in this recipe of the natural vapor rub. It's really powerful and it doesn't contain any nasty ingredients, especially if you're going to apply it on your chest and your back of your kids. So I guys really think and hope that you would love this recipe. So this is my first step right here, and the rest I usually put in a smaller container so I could carry it with me, or it's just easier to put it next to the bed. You know, I just find that it works better for me. So this is it. This is my natural vapor rub recipe right here. So this is it, guys. I hope you like it. If you like, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I wish you to stay very happy and healthy. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy yourself. Try to have positive thoughts and feelings as much as possible. Love yourself. Always try to find something happy throughout the day, and I will see you in my next video. Here in the end, let me just show you how this will look like. See, it becomes like a very nice cream. It's not really fully solid. It's going to be a little bit more solid, but see, this works. It's a wonderful mixture. It feels good on the skin. It's really easy to get absorbed. And as I have mentioned, you could use any other oil, because if you do use coconut, we'll have some coconut aroma. This is it, guys. Now you know how it looks like up close.